Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to make a delicious Chinese rice cake to celebrate the new year.
This traditional sweet treat is often served during the Lunar Festival.
And it's a delightful way to start off the new year with a sweet and satisfying bite. To make this cake, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Brown sugar. 2. Glutinous rice flour. 3. Wheat flour. 4. Cornstarch. 5. Water. 6. Vegetable oil. Now, let's get started with the recipe. Step 1. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add brown sugar and cook until it dissolves completely. Keep stirring to prevent the sugar from burning. Step 2. Sift together the glutinous rice flour and wheat flour twice. This will ensure a smooth and even batter. Make sure to mix well after each sift. Step 3. Gradually add the flour into the syrup, stirring constantly along the way. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in a tough cake. Combine the batter until it's smooth and well combined. Step 4. Transfer the batter to a greased cake mold, making sure to cover the entire surface. You can use a piping bag to decorate the cake if you'd like. Step 5. Allow the cake to cool completely in the pan. This may take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time. Once the cake has cooled, you can either serve it plain or decorate it with your favorite New Year motifs. You can use red bean paste, green bean paste, and even donut cutouts to make it look more festive. And there you have it, a delicious Chinese rice cake that's perfect for the new year. Enjoy this sweet and satisfying treat with your family and friends during the Lunar Festival.
Happy New Year!